Today we're going to talk about what is better, doing repairs or selling as is. You can decide to make repairs to your house, but keep in mind that most of the time you're going to have to find that reputable general contractor, which is sometimes not easy to find. You're going to have to open permits. You're going to have to consider the time that is going to take to do these repairs, the money that you're going to spend to do the repairs, and see if that is something that you want to do. In addition, you also have to keep in mind that it's important which repairs you're going to do. Are those repairs going to increase the value of your house when you decide to sell it, or are they repairs that really most people don't really care about? Selling as is might be a better solution. You don't have to worry about the GC actually finishing the job. You don't have to worry about the time it's going to take you. You don't have to worry about the money you might spend for unexpected things that come up. And you can just sell as is and move on, which is financially much better decision. And don't forget that once the whole rehab is done, now you have to worry about selling your house. If you sell as is, all you have to do is sell and don't worry about any of that. Did you like this video? Was it helpful? If so, you can visit us at mypropertynation.com, where you can find tips, tools, and resources so you can make an informed decision about selling your house.